30 animals, not including emojis. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. I have 2 of these exact same things, so I'll just count 1. All the way back here for 4 is this bunny. I'm gonna count butterfly for butter, for butterfly butter. I'm gonna count butterfly butter for butterfly. Before you come at me that butterflies aren't animals, they are. They're part of the animal kingdom. All insects are. But anyway, 5. Let's start up here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's count this guy for 20. And I actually have an animal poppet drawer, so let's move down to that. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and let's do this owl for 30. So it looks like I win, but thanks for playing.